Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete messages in Badoo. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already installed Badoo in my mobile device and logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Well, right here, this is Badoo. And right now, I simply want to look at whether I can delete messages or not. Right here at the bottom next to profile, you can see chats. Click on the button right here, and then this will open up. Right here, I have had a chat with a person. Let's go to the chat right now. And right here is a message that I have sent. I'm simply gonna click and hold on the message. And it's only giving me two options, whether to reply or copy. Do note that you cannot delete messages in Badoo. It does not provide that option. Well guys, that's it. Hope that clears your confusion. You cannot delete messages in Badoo. Hope you guys found this video informative. And for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.